Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide video from a gallery on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so if you have photo or video that you want to hide, don't need to be worried because the Samsung Galaxy A56 provides a secure folder where we can store any photo and video files that can be locked so that other people cannot open them freely. And how to hide your video is very easy. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first now you can go to gallery on your phone, and then now you can choose the video that you want to hide. And then now you can click on three dot on the right top, and then now you can click move to secure folder, and then the video will move to secure folder that locked so that other people cannot open them freely. And so yeah, here's the secure folder, and then you can go to gallery, and so yeah, here's the hidden video. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to hide video, and thank you so much for watching.